In this video, I will show you how you can fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access issue on any Samsung tablet. Now to fix this problem, first of all, just open the control center on your tablet, and from here, just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that, just tap on the airplane mode icon one more time and turn it off. And by doing this, you will do a quick network refresh on your tablet. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings, and under the Connection section in the Settings, just tap on More Connection Settings. From here, just tap on VPN and check if there is any VPN network connected with your tablet or not. If there is any VPN network connected with your tablet, just disconnect it from here. After that, just go back and tap on Private DNS. Now, if you have enabled Private DNS on your tablet, just select Automatic or Off. After you do that, then just tap on Save. Now after you've done that, the next step is just scroll down in the main settings page and tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Reset. And on this page, just select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. Then tap on Reset Settings. And by doing this, you will not lose any data of your tablet. You will just reset all the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on About Tablet. Under the About section, just tap on Software Information. And on this page, just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now it might ask you to enter the PIN or the password of your lock screen. And after you do that, you will enable developer options on your tablet. Now after you enable developer options, then in the search bar, just search this. And from here, just tap on Wi-Fi scan throttling. Now, if this feature is disabled on your tablet, just turn it on. Now, after you enable this feature, then just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your tablet. For that, just open the control center and tap on the power icon. Now just select Restart. Once the restart process is completed, then just connect your tablet back to the Wi-Fi and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just restart your Wi-Fi router and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings. And from here, just tap on General Management. On this page, just tap on Reset. And from here, just select Reset All Settings. Then tap on Reset Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN or pattern. And after you do that, then just tap on Reset. And by doing this, you will not delete any data of your tablet. You will just reset all the settings of your tablet in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet access problem on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.